In one of my previous video, I spoke about frugal saving as a no income earner. I mentioned cutting expenses, cooking from home, and so many tips like that. However, on this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can save and invest your money, your income as a low income earner. You are not exempted from and from saving and investment. If I can do it, if other can do it, of course you also can do it. And also you earn interest even with as little as investment of 5,000 naira. With just 5,000, 10,000, you can also save, invest, and earn interest on it. Welcome, I'm Damilola, and if this is your first time coming across this channel, welcome. On this channel, we talk about business, entrepreneurships, finance, how to do content, and so many more. Yeah, I'll be sharing four tips of saving and investing your money as a low income earner. The moment you decide to start saving an investment with no matter your income, practice the 50-30-20s rule. Your 50% of your income should go to your needs, while 30% go to your wants and others that you can categorize under wants, while 20% of your income should strictly go to savings and investment. For instance, let's say you earn 100k per month, 50% should go to your needs like feeding, housing, logistics, why the 30% should go to your wants, maybe entertainment, vacation, gifting, gifts. Why 20% strictly should go to your savings? Now you are earning 100k. We already know that the 20% of it should go to your savings. That is 20k. 20k is something you can use to save. You can invest, and without 20k you can still get like 20%, between 10 and 20% interest at the end of the agreed, you can say for 3 months, 6 months, 1 month, a year, but you are still getting between the interest of 5 to 20% of whatever you save and investment as well. Now I'm going to be sharing with you platforms you can invest your money and you can still get a return. You can still get interest at the end while you still get your full money at the end of the tenure. Number one is FGN saving bond. FGN saving bond, it is issued by Debt Management Office on behalf of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. This is one of the safest investments you can go for. This is you actually lending the government your money for a period of time. So it is fully backed by the federal government. You can start with the minimum of 5,000 naira and maximum of 50 million naira. This offer is always open within the first week of every month, between Monday and Friday every month, and and between 14 and 18% interest, minimum for 2 years and maximum for 3 years. Now you have 20k to, I'm using 100k income as an example, so you have 20k to save. You can actually put your 20k into FGN at the beginning of the month, and when you're when you're investing this 20k, remember it's going to be for 2 years, like you're borrowing them this money for 2 years, and the interest rate is always between 14 and 18%. If you are going for 3 years, the longer the year, the longer the interest. So using 14% interest as an example, now you decide to save that 20, or you decide to invest that 20k in FGN. 14% of 20k, 14% of 20k. Now 14% will not be paid to you at once or at the end of the 2 years, it's going to be split because they pay 4 times in a year. That means they pay quarterly every quarter of the year. So we have, if you are going for 2 years, that means you are going to get paid 8 times for 4 quarters of the year. So you are going to get paid 8 times. So this 14% is going to be split in eight. 14% of 20K divided by 8 is what you are going to, whatever, and the result is what you are going to get at the end of every 3 months. And at the end of the tenure, the 2 years tenure, you are going to get your 20K back into your account. You can subscribe to FGN savings bond by contacting licensed stockbrokers like Stanbic IBTC. If you have the Stanbic account, you can just walk into. You don't even have to walk into to the banking hall. It's right there on the app. You can subscribe to it. And if you know any licensed stockbroker also, you can reach out to them and they put you through in getting this done whenever it is available. Number two, I'm going to be talking about in investing on fintech platforms. In this video, I'll be talking about Optimus. Optimus is owned by AfriFirst. AfriFirst is a licensed investment bank. You can start investing with the minimum of 1,000 naira, and you can earn interest between 12% and 20%. There are various type of investment, the savings, the fixed savings that you can do on this Optimus. Download the app and you are going to get um and you're going to just go through it, and you are going to have idea on whichever one you decide to invest on. Remember, you can start savings and investment on Optimal with as little as 1,000 naira. Maybe I'm going to be dropping the link on this in the description box for you to get started. So you can also give instruction for this platform to take money from your account, be it weekly, monthly, or even daily for your savings. They all why I like The reason why I like this platform is offer they always offer the highest interest rate compared to others. Now, the last but not the least, I have for you here. Fine, you may know you are very. This app is what you are very familiar with, and also their saving offer a high return. You can save as low as 1,000, and within 30 to 90 days you can get 10% of your savings from this app, and that is saving through money point. I know of money point. I have done that, and the interest, they have high interest pay you back for every of your savings, be it fixed or flex, be it flex saving or fixed saving. They have high return. So I'm going to drop, if you don't know it, I'm going to drop a link in my referral link below for you to get started using the Money Points app. You can just use it strictly for the savings, and you're going to be getting your interest back within short time, and the interest is quite reasonable. So till my next video, I hope I've been able to tell you about this savings as a low income earner. Everything that I have said on this video, you can start. You can start your saving and investment journey with
Goal savings. Choose a savings plan, anyone you want to go for, like save as you transact. This enable business owner effortlessly save a portion of each transaction starting from 20 naira. Now let's click on it. This one, for every transaction you make, um for every transaction you make, there will always be it's a percentage that goes into your savings, but it does not yield any interest. Saving top up, that means you can keep on adding money to it every time. And of course, it's safe as you transact. So any transaction you made, that's amount you have fixed, we always go to that the saving. Now you can withdraw. You can choose to withdraw during the saving duration. For manual withdrawal, you will charge 1% of your savings, cap at 1,000. For every 1,000 naira, then 1% will be removed. So if you are interested in this, you click on start. But as long as this is safe as you transact and it does not yield any interest, I don't think. But if you don't need interest, you can just go on it. But what's the sense of savings without interest? So let's go to this flexible in savings. Flexible savings is designed to help you set aside for emergency savings toward a specific goal, or simply build a financial cushion for unexpected expenses. And there's interest rate of 9% per annum. So if you save for this flexible savings for a year, you have the 9% of your total saving. And then the minimum saving duration, you can see one to maximum saving top ups. Withdrawal is instant, but interest won't be paid after four withdrawal in a month. So if you want to go for this option, then you just say start savings. Now set up a flexible plan. What are you saving towards? I have a target. Nothing, I'm just saving. If you have a target, you name your target to buy to build to buy land, right? You want to buy land. What's your target date? When do you want to get the land? Let me see, July 31st, right? I want to start. You're starting June 30. I'm starting today, the savings today. So saving, how much are you aiming to save? 2 million naira, right? How do you want to save it? Saving frequency. You want to save daily, monthly, weekly. Let me say daily. Save. So that means suggest completion. That means I have to be inputting this amount of money every day. If this is just a month target, right? And I want to save 2 million in a month, and I want to save daily, so I'm going to be saving 64,516 naira 12 kobo daily. Then you go to next option, saying you will be debited automatically every day at 8 a.m. Yeah, is it this account you want to use, or you want to use another account, another money point account? If you want to use another money point account, you change it. Initial deposits, do you want to deposit? You have more than that 64.99. You just want to deposit, just okay. Initial, okay. Just let me allow auto rollover after saving mature. That's when it's mature. If you want to roll it over again to start another savings, then this, then you click next. You can see and then you agree, create plan. Flexible saving plan created successfully. You can see now, this is plan one. You can add multiple ones. This is under flexible. Yes, you can see this is under flexible. You can add another one. You can see add new savings. If you want to add another one like this, now I've talked about 1, 2. Now this lock saving, is between 9 to 16% per annum. Now let's open it. Lock saving is a disciplined saving plan that encourage the development of saving habits. Saving as securely locked upon agreed mature date. This one simply is once you put the money, you are not withdrawing. It's not possible for you to withdraw anything until the agreed date, maybe maximum of 1 month, 6 months. Maybe you want to save it for 6 months, and the interest is between 9 to 16% per annum. If you want to start that one, same as we did for the previous one, and then you click on next, and you have it show up just like this. You have it show up under here. Now to the next, this fixed saving, this is the last one. Fixed saving is an effective way to manage liquidity by committing a lump sum for a specific period. You receive your interest upfront. It provides a secure avenue for growing your saving. Interest is between 9 to 16%. Saving duration minimum of 1 month. It can be 2 months, it can be 6 months, it can be 12 months. Interest payout accrued upfront. Saving top up is not possible. It's the money you have put there, withdrawal. No, let me say, okay, let's start plan. Okay, let's say car, right? Let's say trip to Dubai. Trip to Dubai. How much do you want to fix for it? 5M, right? How long do you want to save? Yeah, and we're going to end it August. This money for trip to Dubai, which I just want to save it for. I want to save it for 2 months, September and 30. So I'm saving it for 3 months, and you can see now you will earn an interest rate of 14% PA 92. I'm saving for 92 days. Between between 91 and 180 days, the interest rate is 14%. So since what I pick is 3 months and is 92 days, which falls under this, so I'll be having my 14%. So any plan of savings you created, everything will be listed here, and then you see your total savings and the rest here. You see your total savings here. That is that about saving. And when you want to withdraw, just click on it, and then you withdraw your money next, and it will be back to your money will be back to your amount to withdraw. I see 800,000. Select account, your account, and then next, your money will be returned back to your account. That is that about savings on this app.
With as this was 1,000 naira, you can start your saving now. Or you may say, okay, what is 1,000 naira? 10% of 1,000 is just 100 naira. But you are doing it already. You started already. You that do 1,000, that do 5,000. We definitely want to do 10% of 20,000 naira is 2,000 naira. A whole 2,000 naira just for you to save 20,000 naira. And by the time you do that, imagine 100k, and you are getting about 15 to 19% of it. That is something. 10% of 100k, that is open 10,000 naira just for you saving your money. So to my next video, I remain Damila. Stay blessed. Bye.